In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix AMD graphics not found in Device Manager on Windows. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your AMD drivers is up to date. So let's navigate through our installed browser. In here, simply search for AMD drivers, head over to their official website, and then you simply want to look for the right model. So in our case, it's going to be the graphics option, and then you can simply search for your graphics card right here. Let's then go ahead and say that we have the AMD Radeon RX 6800. Click on the submit button, and then you want to navigate through the right operating system. So I'll click on Windows 10 and download the official drivers on the AMD website. From there, let's navigate through our Windows logo. Now you only want to do this next step if the first step didn't help you fix the problem. So just click on the device manager. In here, you then want to look for the display adapters, right click on it, click on the update driver option, and then once again, you want to do the same thing, which is to update the driver available for your device. You can also click on the properties option to make sure that everything works perfectly. In here, just once again, do the same thing. Now, if all of this did not help you fix the problem, the only thing left to do now is to completely uninstall our drivers because it might have some corrupted files or data installed within it. So just search for DDU on Google Chrome. Head over to the guru3d.com. Basically, DDU means display driver uninstaller. This will completely erase everything that resembles our graphics card or our drivers. Just download the program right here, run the program, uninstall your drivers, and then you want to restart your computer and reinstall back in using their official website. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.